So hey guys, Sanskruti and Isonates, and today's our topic is so much interesting topic because today's our topic is my brother. So yes, my brother. So first, before starting video, I'm gonna ask you. So how are you guys? I hope you are better than yesterday. So today's our topic is my brother. So today I'm not telling you information about my brother. Today I'm going to tell you the story about my brother. About brothers, how they love us, how they love their sisters, and how they love their elder brothers or younger brothers. So today I'm going to tell you one story about brothers. So let's get started. So the story name is The Three Brother, and the story of the three brothers. They love each other, and how much they love each other. So let's get started. So there was three brothers. There was a man. He lives in a village, and he is the headman of that village. And he also has a wife. She's pregnant, and she gave after some days she gives birth to the baby boy. And and suddenly she died. After giving birth to a baby boy, she suddenly get died. And the that man keeps the name of that baby boy, the Simon. And the sister of that man, she told that man to get married again. And he said, no, where are you going? You take care of my son. I don't want to get married. But she tell, after some days I also get married, then who will take care of your son? So he said, I will get married. And he get married again. His uh, his second wife is too much kind, and she's also very good, and she also takes very good care of the Simon. And she never thought that it is that he is a step boy of her. He is a step boy of her. And she never think that, she always think that the Simon is his her own son. And after some years, she also gave birth to two boys, and they became three. And their family became big. And then suddenly that man get old, and he died. And he died. And after some time, uh, when he died, after some days, uh, his sons became elder. And the Simon takes the responsibility of his house. And the two younger brothers of Simon, they help to Simon in working. And Simon also gives them the small gifts, and small gifts to his mother also. And their neighbors were jealous of that. Their neighbors are jealous of that thing, that they are too much rich. So after some days, Simon gift bike to his younger brother. And their uh, their uh, their neighbor looked that, and they became too much jealous of that. And they said, let's make a plan. And they made a plan to tell the Simon is step brother of that two boys. And they tell to that two boys that Simon is the step brother of that two boys. And they get that two boys get the two boys think about that thing, and they went to their mother to tell that all thing. And their mother said, no, he is not your step brother, he is your own brother. And don't listen the things, don't listen the things, or don't listen the uh, listen to the neighbors, that they are jealous of us, jealous of our property. They are also jealous of our richness. So don't listen them, and don't go on their talkings. So after but they didn't listen their mother, and they think that the Simon is their step brother, but he is a step brother. But their mother never think that he is her stepson. So after some time, the mother said to said at night, shouted, snake, 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 and she became afraid. And this is her plan. And she said to Simon, Simon, get up, snake, snake. So Simon said, where? So his mother said, in your stomach. He is sitting in your stomach, and suddenly it invisible. And then Simon think, this snake is going in my stomach. And he leaves all eating foods and all working in farm, and he became weak and weak. Then the neighbor think that the Simon is getting weak, so uh, let's take their property. And they move their boundaries from their field to Simon fields. And they took the Simon fields. Then suddenly the two younger brothers of Simon came there, and they say to they say to that neighbors, why are you taking our field? But they doesn't stop, and they throw these stones or the cow dung on that their face. And suddenly after that night, after that day, they go to their mother and told all that things. And in night, mother again shouted, snake, snake. And Simon said, where? She said, it comes out of your stomach, and disappeared. So she said that, and then Simon became became uh, Simon became healthy, and he started eating, and he started also working in farm. So he is now healthy. And seeing that, the neighbor became afraid. And after some time, Simon goes to his field, and he said, he's look at his field, and he thought that the neighbor takes their field. And he goes to the head of the uh, village, because his father is dead. And after dead his father, someone another people may became the head of village, and he went at them. And he told all things, all what happens with them and their neighbors. And then the neighbors the headman of village came to the neighbors, and punished him, and put them in a prison. And after that, the three brothers and their old mother stay happy, and stay freely, and stay happily. So I hope you like my video, and this is our today's video, and thank you.